Hi, my name's Michaela. I am a senior at the University of Iowa, and I am studying elementary education with a middle school endorsement. I've always loved working with children when I grew up. I've always been a nanny and a babysitter, been through a lot of summer camps, and just being able to be a mentor and teaching our future generations of children was something that I really wanted to do as my future career. We're with Jack today. He is my cousin who I babysit at least 3 times a week, sometimes more. We are at the Hall of Fame. We're just walking around. Usually when I babysit him, I take him to fun places like this, and this is one of his favorite places because it's got Herky, and his favorite person is Herky Hawk. We're at the Linquist Center today with my friend Rachel, and we're just grabbing a quick bite to eat after our reading practicum. What did you do at your practicum today?
Well, this week is kind of different. We're not really following the usual routine because we have so much online stuff to get done.
Something I didn't expect when I came to Iowa was how close I was going to be with some of my professors that I had here. My middle school practicum teacher, Lisa, kind of helped me navigate what was something I really wanted to do in my future. I was in a middle school practicum last semester, and I was teaching 8th grade science. And I was a little bit nervous even though I'm a 20-year-old college student, but something about them was a little bit nerve-wracking for me. But I ended up really loving middle school, and I definitely think in my future career I want to teach somewhere in the middle school, probably 8th graders, but we'll see.
My name is Lisa Melliker. I'm an adjunct instructor in elementary education. The professors that you run into at Iowa have vast experience and knowledge, and I really think if you are open to it, can change the idea of what you want to do with your career.
Being in that classroom with my teacher, Lisa, she made it super welcoming and super comfortable to kind of go into the classroom with open and new ideas, giving us a lot of resources on, experiences with middle schoolers and how we can better accompany them through their middle school school life.
She got to really put it into practice, and I got to see it happen, which was so exciting, and where you really see teachers' identities come together. So you have them in class and they're in this student role, and then you go to a classroom and you get to see them step into that role and connecting with students of different ages and just learn and grow together. Michaela is on my list of babysitters for my own children.
Some advice I would give for incoming students would definitely be walk around campus a lot more. There's so many different things to see, so many buildings. If it's a nice day, I like to go to Hubbard Park. I have my own hammock, and there's some hammock poles over in Hubbard. I usually bring some homework or a book if I don't have any homework to do, and just kind of chill out there. Lastly would definitely be get to know your teachers. I know that it can be really scary, but it definitely really helps your experience and your learning as well, and it gets you more familiar with the people that you're surrounding yourself with.